If you've ever wondered how to provide your website visitors with instant access to files, documents, or media that are hosted outside of WordPress, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create WordPress documents with clear, reliable links to external files and media, whether it's a downloadable PDF on Google Drive, an instructional video on YouTube, or any other resource you want to share. Let's jump in and make your site more useful and connected. First off, we need to talk about where your files actually live. Unlike your WordPress media library, which is great for images and maybe a few PDFs, larger files like videos or presentations are usually better hosted elsewhere. This keeps your site running smoothly and ensures your visitors can always access your content, no matter the size. So for this step, you're going to upload your files to an external platform. Think Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive for documents and files. Or maybe YouTube and Vimeo for those big video files. If you're uploading to something like Google Drive, just drag your file right into the folder and it'll upload within seconds. For video, uploading to YouTube works similarly, just follow the prompts. Once your file is uploaded, here's a super important tip. Double-check the sharing settings. You want your files to be accessible, so make sure they're set to public, or anyone with the link can view or download. This is key. If you skip this, your visitors might see an error message or get prompted to log in. And that's definitely not what you want. After the sharing settings look good, copy the direct URL. This will be your magic link, letting WordPress connect to your file no matter where it's hosted. Next, let's move into your WordPress dashboard and actually create the links that point to these external files. In your post or page editor, if you're using the block editor called Gutenberg, the process is pretty intuitive. First, write out the text that you want users to click. Like download our PDF brochure or watch the training video here. Now, highlight that phrase with your mouse or keyboard. Look for the chain link icon in the formatting toolbar. Think of it like hooking your chosen text to a destination. Click that icon, and a small window will pop up where you can paste in the external URL you copied earlier. After pasting, hit enter or click the little apply button. That's it, you've just turned plain text into a clickable link to your external file. But here's an extra tip that makes your site even more user-friendly. Since these are external links, it's a good idea to set them to open in a new tab. You'll often see an arrow icon next to the link editor controls. Give that a click, and now whenever someone follows your link, your website stays open in their browser alongside the new tab. It's a small thing, but it really helps people avoid accidentally losing your site while accessing those resources. Take a moment here to test your links, open your page as a visitor would, and make sure everything works smoothly. Remember, if the external link asks for a login or the file isn't found, go back and revisit your sharing settings. And that's it, you've successfully created WordPress content with seamless links to external documents and media. This method does more than just save space on your website. It also ensures your files are more accessible and easier to update if needed. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful or have questions about linking files from other platforms, please drop a comment below. I check them and always try to respond. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips and website building know-how. See you in the next tutorial.